What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing fine, staying inside, staying safe from this epidemic we're having. Me and Edwin are fine. We're staying busy right now, running low on stuff to do. Stuff's taking forever to come in and so on. So today we're going to be cleaning the engine bay. We're gonna clean it up nice and get it ready for this beautiful engine that's going inside there. So if you guys follow us on Instagram, you guys will know that we got a certain part. It looks beautiful. Let me show you this. Here's the headers. We mounted them forward to see how much room we could possibly have for turbos in the car. Overall they sit pretty far in. They're almost flush with the front of the car. This sticks out a little more than those, but overall looks great. Welds look solid. Fitment is pretty good. We don't have it bolted on all the way yet. We don't have gaskets, so we're holding off on that. But the engine's getting there, guys. The engine is super close. We just need an in-tank, an alternator, an AC compressor, and we're good to go. The engine's fully built. Back to the car. As you can see, it is filthy. Filthy. Everything is filthy. I did a terrible job maintaining the engine bay of this car when I had it running. I think it's time to give this girl the treatment she deserves, especially if that thing's going in there. We're gonna want it to look very pretty. So what we got in front of us is some engine degreaser. We got ourselves a couple brushes, some tape to cover up any ports and anything we shouldn't get water in anyway, and a old spray bottle with some water in it, and also a GoPro to get some shots while I'm cleaning the car. Obviously, if you have a pressure washer, that would be the way to go. We don't have a pressure washer here, and we don't have anything here, and I'm not gonna push this car to our nearest car wash to wash the engine. So we're gonna do everything by hand. It's gonna be tedious, but at the end of the day, it needs to be done because the inside of this car is filthy. We're gonna switch over to the GoPro, get started on the FRS Engine Bay, get it as clean as possible as we can get it. There's a bunch of exposed hoses that I also been wrapping up, like all these sensors as well, getting wrapped up, open hoses, gas lines, everything. Want to plug anything, don't want to get water anywhere that water does not belong. There's another sensor I missed. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now before I get started on anything. These are heater lines, so I don't think that matters. That's AC unit. I think that should be fine. I mean, that's looking like everything, so let's get started on the nitty-gritty stuff. Actually, before we get started with cleaning, I'm just gonna blow everything out. Make it easier for me in the long run. That's probably just the smart thing to do anyway, so I'm gonna start with that. We're actually gonna roll the car outside. I mean, it's nice outside anyway, so let's just roll it outside and we'll clean it out there. I don't feel like making a mess in here. Probably just best to get it outside anyway. Well, actually, we have a hose, so it's just better that I just came outside. Screw it, full send. All right guys, I am done cleaning this thing for today. I cleaned it as best as I could. There's still some spots that are here and there I couldn't get really into, but once we get ready to put the engine in for good, I'll go back in and get that all sorted out. But for now, the engine bay looks a lot cleaner than it did before. Again, sorry that this might be a short video. We're just running low on stuff to do. So I think that's gonna be it for today. Can't really do much anymore. We can sand, but again, that's tedious work. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Also go follow us on Instagram. We try to post there once in a while, so if you want to get a preview of what's coming next in the next video, go on Instagram, you'll probably get an idea. But as always, thanks for watching.